Click Quick Access Toolbar Open. Navigate to the local template /plan production folder. Open Civil 3D, Imperial, Plan and Profile.dwt. Note: in the Select File dialog box, ensure that Files of Type is set to Drawing Template, star.dwt. The template contains 2 viewports. Select the top viewport. Right-click. Click Properties. Examine the settings of the viewport, including the size and position contained in the Geometry category. On the Properties palette, scroll down to the Viewport category. Double-click the cell next to Viewport Type. The drop-down list displays the configuration options for the viewport. The current, top, viewport is set to Plan, while the bottom viewport is set to Profile. These settings specify that when you use this template in the plan production process, the plan view of the alignment will appear in the top viewport, and the corresponding profile will appear in the bottom viewport. By default, all templates that are not contained in the local template /plan production folder have their viewport type set to undefined. To configure your custom templates for use with the plan production process, you must change the viewport setting as appropriate. Close Civil 3D, Imperial, Plan and Profile.dwt, but do not save it. Open Plan Production View Frames Create.dwg, which is located in the Tutorials Drawings folder. Note: in the Select File dialog box, ensure that Files of Type is set to Drawing, star.dwg. Click Output tab Plan Production panel Create View Frames. In the Create View Frames wizard, on the Alignment page, specify the following parameters. Alignment, Maple Road. Station Range, Automatic. This setting selects the entire Maple Road alignment. Click Next. On the Sheets page, under Sheet Settings, select Plan and Profile. This setting creates sheets that display both plan and profile views for each view frame. Under Template for Plan and Profile Sheet, click. In the Select Layout as Sheet Template dialog box, click. In the Select Layout as Sheet Template dialog box, browse to the local template /plan production folder. Select Civil 3D, Imperial, Plan and Profile.dwt. Click Open. In the Select Layout as Sheet Template dialog box, under Select a Layout to create new sheets, select ANSI D Plan and Profile 40 Scale. Click OK. In the View Frame Placement section, select Along Alignment. This setting aligns the view frames along the alignment, as shown in the graphic in the wizard. Select the Set the First View Frame before the start of the alignment by option, and enter 50.000 foot in the Value field. This option sets the distance that the first view frame is placed before the start of the alignment. Entering a distance here provides the specified amount of space before the alignment starting station. This distance ensures that the alignment start location does not coincide with the start of the view frame. If this checkbox is not selected, then the first view frame is placed at the start of the alignment. Click Next to open the View Frame Group page. View frame groups are created automatically. This page lets you specify the object creation criteria for the view frame group object. Examine the settings that are available, but accept the default settings for this exercise. Click Next to open the Match Lines page. Match lines are straight lines that are drawn across an alignment in Plan View to indicate where the corresponding sheet for that alignment begins and ends. Match lines typically include labels that can identify the previous and next sheet, view frame, along the alignment. Examine the settings that are available, but accept the default settings for this exercise. Click Next. On the Profile Views page, specify the following parameters. Profile View Style, Major Grids. Band Set, Stations Only. Click Create View Frames. The view frames are displayed along the alignment in the drawing window. The match lines are displayed as annotated lines between the view frames. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, expand View Frame Groups, then expand the VFG Maple Road collection. Expand the View Frames and Match Lines collections. Notice that they contain the same components you created during the View Frame Group creation process. In Tool Space, on the Prospector tab, right-click one of the view frames. Notice that you may zoom or pan to the view frame in the drawing. Notice that you may also create a sheet for the individual view frame. In creating plan and profile sheets, you will create sheets for all the view frames.